how to download videos from Chrome. So if you want to download videos from Chrome, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Chrome browser, and here you just need to simply search for the videos that you would like to download. So I'll just simply go with a random video, and once you find the videos or the images, now you just need to simply tap and hold on to that, and here you will have a download option on the bottom right of that video. So just tap on the video, and on the bottom right you will have the download option. So you just need to simply tap on download, and here on the top right you will have free download. So you just need to simply choose a size, and then once you've selected the size, tap on download selected size, and the file is start downloading. Now you just need to simply go with downloading file, which is on the top. Tap on details, and as you can see that it has been downloaded. Now you can open up that file and you will have your video. That's how you can download videos from Chrome, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.